CC Ho, say here, say something.
Hello.
There's CC Ho getting up for action. He's preparing for his second flight. Switch is on now. Checking control surfaces. Okay. Talk already? Yes. Choking his engine. Okay. Now he's putting in the battery to energize the glow head. Use a chicken stick lah. Eddie, I think he needs help.
Oh, okay, coming. The help is on the way.
Now, couldn't start the engine, so now Eddie is going to start and start the engine. It's flooded. It's coming. Flooded. Oh, bite the dust. Sorry, there was a water take off. The battery is flashing, is it weak? The battery?
Oh no, checking every minute.
Wait. CC Ho flying his Cherokee.
Hey, Hercules!
Yeah, CC Ho up on the plane. Can you see him? He's waving at us. Look at the way it turns. Now it's coming, look. It's coming. Lower, 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 low pass. That's beautiful. Okay, that's all the show, folks. Roll, roll, roll. Make a roll.
You want to give it a shot? Sure.
Some track. That's CCO making a stunt. I don't know why it's stunt.
No,
Ah yeah, I see his head already. It's flying above his head, man.
Oh, I missed the sun. How come so fast? I never see it.
Roll, roll. Oh, it's coming in for another stunt.
Go off the engine cut. Cannot.
That's called Oops. Eddie, your head move away, man. What's that sign? No obscene gets share around here. Wow, that's a beautiful low pass. That's about 200 feet low pass.
500 feet low pass. Okay, now make it touch and go, huh?
Okay, touch and go.
Touch and no go.
Let's see whether it will touch and go or touch and no go.
Touch and bang. This one? Oh, in the US.
It's coming in.
It's
very low. There's a very low pass. Make a loop. Are you able to make a loop?
No, this one.
Risky, ah?
Heavy.
Heavy, ah? Okay. See enough? Let me continue recording.
Yeah, one more time. You have a chill pass.
Okay.
You're working in inside the city or what? No, it's crazy.
There's a low pass. Now you can see the ground coming up. It's very low. It's a beautiful one. Look at that. There's a CC hole. It's a daredevil. Kamikaze. Kamikaze. That's a beautiful inverted whole engine cut.
Oh, what do you want? You're going to die.
Is it coming in for landing?
Oh, landing.
Okay, landing. Let's take a shot of landing. Who is doing the landing? Oh, Eddie is doing the landing. Our honorable Eddie is going to make a 3-point landing. Let's see whether he can make it. Ready? On course.
Why don't you just catch it? Yeah.
It's so close. That's it. Beautiful. Plane landed.